And today we're making grilled cheese sandwiches with strawberry jam. But first, get an adult to help you. I'll wait. I just love cooking because I get to count. Counting is so much fun. Okay, now that you're back, let's begin. To make a grilled cheese sandwich, we need 1 piece of cheese. Give me 1 second to get the cheese. Count it with me. 1 piece of cheese. Next, we need 2 slices of bread. Give me 2 seconds to get the bread. Count it with me. 1, 2. 2 slices of bread. Now we need 3 scoops of jam. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops of jam. Next, we need to cut the cheese. Get an adult to cut the cheese.
Cut the cheese. Cut the cheese.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that tickles. Stop.
Could you stop that? I need to get a piece of cheese to show the kids how to make a grilled cheese sandwich.
But it tickles. Okay. Try again.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's my armpit. Stop.
Okay, if you don't have funny cheese like me, go ahead and cut the cheese. Next, get an adult to take you to the stove. Alright, put cheese on 1 slice of bread and strawberry jam on the other. Now, put them together. Now flip over and over in your pan until it's nice and toasty. And your grilled cheese sandwich should look like this. This has been another episode of The Sweet Life with me, Honi Honeybee.
And me, funny cheese. Did you hear about the one with the chicken?
For the love of honey, can I just get 1 episode good? And the cheese is talking about chickens.
So yeah, a chicken, a goat, and a cow went into town. Wait, come back. I promise it's funny.